Welcome guys, in this Python lesson we will focus on Python list methods. As you know, we are using different methods with different data types, and lists are one of these data types, and here we will focus on Python list methods. And here we will learn append methods, count methods, reverse, index, insert methods, clear, sort, copy, extend and pop methods. And we will do different examples, and after these examples you can easily use these Python list methods. So let's start with our first example, and first example will be about Python append methods. Here I'll create elves list firstly, and the first item is Legolas. Second one is Elrond, and the last one is Galadriel. Here I'll use elves.append and then Arwen. Let's print our elves string list, and here as you can see with append we add Arwen to our elves list, and this is for append method for Python string list. And let's do this with a number list, and here I will use numbers 10, 80, 23, 45 and 8 and 2. And let's add numbers that append, and here I will add 100 to this numbers list, and then I'll print numbers. And as you can see here, our lists and the last item has added at the end of our Python list. And yes, this is append method. Now let's go and learn another method, and this is insert method. And here I will create a list, a string list again. And here I will use hello and how are today. Yes. And now I will use list.insert, and then I will add u here. So this is index 0, this is index 1, and this is index 2, and here is index 3. So I will add index 3 here, and then u, and then I'll print list, and as you can see on the screen, hello, how are you today, and u is added to index 3, index 0, index 1, index 2 and index 3. As you remember, index starts with 0 and go through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Yes, and let's do this with also a number list. Here I will create a number list with 4, 6, 7, 2 and 8, and then I'll add sort. I'll add again 3 index and 10. When I print this list, as you can see here, 10 is added to index 3, 0, 1, 2 and 3. And yes, this is insert methods. And now let's go to and learn pop methods with Python lists. Here I'll create again this list, and we don't need to create again, but yes, no, we need to create because we have changed the lists with these numbers. Yes, and here I will pop one of these items. So here I will use index number. So index 1 will be this item. Index 0, index 1, index 2, and index 3. I will remove this how. So when I print list, as you can see here, how is not here anymore. And we have also used another method here, so let's write again, and here I will use list.remove, and this time I will give the item's name. So I will give hello. Let's print our list. Yes, here there is no hello anymore because we remove hello item with remove methods. So let's do this with also a number list. I will create this with 4, 6, 7, 2, and 8. Here I will use list remove and then 6. Yes, 6 is not in our list anymore. Yes, this is how to remove an item in a list in Python. So now let's use extend methods and let's add one list to another list. So here I will use Lord of the Rings again here. Lord list, and here I'll create Legolas, Elrond, and Galadriel. And kings, this is another list here. These are both string lists. Aragorn and Theoden. This is our second list, and here I'll use lore.extend and kings. We will add kings items to lore. Here, then I'll print lore, and as you can see here, these are the first items here, and these are the added new items. Yes, let's do this with a number list. Three, 5, 7, and 8. And here I will create another list, numbers 1, and my numbers will be 32, 45, and 67. And here I'll use numbers.extend numbers 1. Then I'll print numbers. And as you can see on the screen, these are the first items here, and these are the added new items. So these are how to extend our one of lists with other lists. So we add the items of one list to other lists. So what about removing all the items in a list? So here I will take, to show you again, I will take all of this here, and this time I'll change the name elves, and then I'll use elves.clear, and there is no item here. There is nothing inside this clear function, and then I print else, and there is nothing. Our else list is empty now. Yes, this is clear method. And now let's see index method. We have also used index before, but here I'll create a number list 2 59 6 26 7 and 12. This is our number list, and here I will assign numbers dot index, this one. I will find the index of this item 26 here, and then I will assign it to x. So what is x? What will be x? So this is 0, index 1, index 2, index 3. So x will be index 3. So when we print x, we will see 3. Yes, this is index method. You can use this index method for different examples in your coding activities. And now let's go and learn sorting. And here firstly I will use reverse methods. So I will create again our first item or character will be Arwen. The second one is Theoden. Third one is Gimli the dwarf, and Aragorn the king, and Legolas the arrow man. Yes, lar that reverse, and there is no parameter. So here with reverse methods, we will sort the list in reverse direction. So here when I print lar, this lar is Lord of the Rings. Yes, here we list our lists in reverse order. So Legolas, this is at the end and this is at the beginning. Aragorn, Gimli, Theoden, and Arwen. And let's do this with also a number lists. And here I will use for 6, 7, 2, and 8. List that reverse and print lists. And as you can see here, our first list is this, and the second reverse sorted list is 8, 8, 2, 2, 7 and 7, 6 and 6, 4 and 4. Yes, this is how to use reverse method in Python. So what about sorting with alphabet? So here we can use sort methods to sort our lists as ascending or descending. The default one is ascending, so here I will take this one again. And let's use sort methods here to sort our list and then print the sorted lists. And here, as you can see, according to the alphabet, this is ascending sorting. Aragorn, Arwen, Gimli, Legolas, Theoden, from A to Z. So here, this is the default one. So what about descending? So to sort our list with descending, we'll use lar sort, and as parameter, we will use reverse parameter as true. By default, reverse parameter is false, so our sorting is ascending, but when we use reverse parameter and when we set as it as true, then it will be descending. So when we print our list, the new sorted list will be like this, from Z to A: Theoden, Legolas, Gimli, Arwen, and Aragorn. So this is reverse sorting, not reverse sorting. The first one is reverse sorting. We were writing our lists in reverse order, and then we use sort methods to sort ascending through ascending, our list through ascending, and then we use reverse parameter in with sort methods, and we sort our list as descending. Yes, this is the list methods, and now we can also use another method here. The last method, our last method will be, or I will use two more methods for you here. The first one is copy method, and the other one is count method. So here, firstly, I'll create elves, Legolas, Elrond, Galadriel. And then I will use elves, copy, and then I will assign it to characters. After that, I'll print characters. So here we have copied our elves list to characters list. This is copy method. And the last method I'll show you with this list is count method. So here with this count method, I'll firstly create a number list: 4, 6, 8, 9, 4, 6, 7, 3, 4, and 5. This is our number list. And here I will use count methods to count any item in this list. So here, as you can see, there are more 4s, 1, 2, and 3. So let's count 4. So then when we use this method, then I'll assign this to x. So after that, I'll print x, and as you can see, x is 3 because there are 3 4s here. Yes, these are the methods that we use with Python lists. In other words, these are Python list methods. You can increase your knowledge on these Python list methods with more examples. If you like this video, do not forget to like it and subscribe to my channel.